Guys, this is what I ate today. Vegan, deal with it. Obviously, you know it's vegan if you're on the veganasfork channel.
I would hope so.
Anyway, yes, I'm still wearing the same clothes I wore yesterday.
No one needs to know that. It's okay. They don't know what day it is.
That's what I do, because I didn't get ready yet. I just had to take Sean, and I usually just throw my old clothes on, and then I get ready. So.
It's okay. What are you drinking?
I'm having a double. I'm having a coffee that has almond milk creamer in it. I know a lot of people who intermittent fast insist on drinking black coffee. That's not me. That's not my game. So this is my second vat of coffee for the day. Nice. I usually have 2 vats in the morning before I start eating.
You're 2 for 2.
Yep.
All right. Well, you know what it is. Honestly, guys, this week has been stressful for me in that I haven't had my biking release because I've been so busy with work and everything that I have not been able to bike in like days and days, which I bike for like my anxiety and stuff, not just for exercise, so like I really need it. But today, luckily,
you know what else
I'm gonna have time.
Bagels.
I know, I haven't had bagels in like a while, so
a few days. The cats are galloping around like horses too right now. Yeah,
so I'm gonna have my nut butter filled Cliff Bar before I get on the bike in a little bit, and then I don't know what I'm having for breakfast because we don't have bagels.
This is a dry bagel house.
Yeah.
There's no bagels in the house.
Alright guys, it's time for breakfast. So like I said earlier, we don't have any bagels, so I'm keeping it in the bread family. Basically did the same thing I would normally do, but with bread. So I got a nice sourdough here. The slices are so thick.
Angry old lady bread.
It's a little intimidating.
Delicious.
Yeah. And then I have my favorite hummus here, the Pita Pal hummus roasted garlic. So good. And then on top, this doesn't look pretty the way I have it, but this freaking Gardein breakfast patty is so good. And this
Would you say it's dank?
I can never remember if dank is a good thing or a bad thing.
It's good.
Oh, then yes, it's
dank is F.
It's very dank. So what was I gonna say? This is not sponsored by Gardein. I wish it was, but Gardein already has such amazing meat replacements, but this breakfast patty is one of my favorites. If it focuses ever. Okay. It's one of my favorites.
I'm making tea. I think I might do a hibiscus.
Yeah.
And I just had some cheese shrapnel. I'm full. Just kidding. I just had to taste it for the recipe, but I normally wouldn't eat this early. Usually on days when my son has his day program, I don't eat till 3 o'clock. But on days when we go biking or when it's the weekend, I'll do like 12, 1 o'clock. So instead of a 6-hour window, I'll do like an 8-hour window or even a little bit longer, 9-hour, 10-hour. I just switch it up. Oh, look who's here.
Mrs. Roper. Sorry,
all right.
Miss Roper.
Ms. Roper.
Priest Stanley.
We've got a nice lunch. This is my first meal of the day besides the cheese shrapnel.
This is your breakfast lunch.
Pretty much. Brunch.
It's not a brunch though. It's like both, so it's like...
I never eat breakfast foods though for this.
Okay.
So it's more of like a big lunch.
Well, this is my lunch. So I'm having a beautiful spring mix salad with world peace dressing. Beautiful falafel from last night with world peace dressing.
We have a recipe for that. We have a recipe for the dressing. We have, well, this is from the other night, the Mexican night.
Oh, that's the Mexican rice? I wasn't sure if that was Mexican rice or like red lentil rice.
Nope, it's Mexican rice with the failure cheese.
Okay. And also, these yummy...
Oh yeah, some spring rolls. Because we're celebrating Chinese New Year.
Because it's late and your mama don't know.
Is it today?
I
don't know if it's on that calendar, is it?
It's not. Chinese New Year's tomorrow.
Oh, okay. So as they're watching it.
Yeah.
Nice.
Why, is this going up tomorrow?
No.
Okay. It's on the 16th.
Isn't it like a week?
I'm not sure.
Or is it just one day?
Confirmation on that.
Yeah, we don't know. But I'm basically having the same thing with olives. And did you say spring mix? Yeah.
Yep.
So there you go.
That's lunch.
Enjoy. All right. So I'm eating again. We just shot the video for the smokehouse cheddar, and it is just so good that I'm eating the props, which is a open face, what would you call that? Grilled cheese sandwich?
Yes.
It's delicious. It's really delicious. That's going to be probably the video before this one. So you may have already seen it, but if you're new, you may not. Go back a video, and it's this one. All right, it's getting late. There's a hair on you. Better. I just had a snack. I would say it's like a quarter of a bag of these, whatever was left over of the crunchy chocolate coconut chips. Pretty good stuff. I wanted to get rid of it. It was hanging around too long. I'm having one of these Snapdragon apples, so crispy and juicy and delicious. We're having pizza tonight, but we'll get there. It's thawing out over there. We're gonna be having that soon. We're gonna be having it special tonight. We're having baba ganoush pizza, so excited. All right, it's baba ganoush cooking time. So I have the eggplant here, washed, split in half. I'm gonna be roasting it in the toaster oven for about an hour. I think it's an hour. I don't know, I gotta check my recipe. No biggie. When it gets deflated and sad, that's when it's done. So stick a fork in it. It's done. So that's gonna cook a little bit before we roll out the pizzas, or while we roll out the pizzas. I don't know if this counts or not. We had tea before. I don't know if I mentioned it. This is what I ate, so just like, do I have to say I ate this or drank this? Maddie had a green tea with lemon. Was it lemon?
I don't know.
It was a green tea. You know, it was like the one with a tea bag. Because I do like loose tea too, but she doesn't. And I had one of those red rose apple pie ones with the stevia in it. Let's see if I can grab one here and show you guys. Caramel apple pie. These are really good. Obviously you don't need any sugar with those because it already has the stevia in there. And they taste equally as good with or without almond milk. So highly recommend. I'm back with more snacks. I'm having some nuts out of the barrel of nuts here, and I realized that the baba ganoush only has to cook for 30 minutes, so good thing I checked my recipe. Otherwise it would have been burnt baba ganoush. Alright, there's the baba ganoush pizza in all of its glory. So I roasted my eggplant and I did the regular baba ganoush things. I added fresh garlic, lemon, a little bit of cumin, and some salt.
Is there also...
There's some smoked Gouda that was grated and mixed in with the baba ganoush.
Beautiful.
Yeah, hashtag beautiful.
Beautiful.
And also a mountain of asparagus.
Oh yeah.
That I steamed in the microwave. Because when you have this much, it's hard to do it in the oven. I would love to roast it in the oven.
That
but
would be amazing.
I would have like 2 giant trays of it.
Yeah, it would be difficult to do.
Yeah, so I just did it in there with a little bit of, oh, I should put some lemon on that too. If you'd like.
Let me do a little taste test on the pizza.
Okay.
Oh, baby!
Oh,
wow.
You like that?
I don't just like it.
Oh, I wasn't listening.
I love it! No, it's like one of the best pizzas we've had in a long time.
Wow.
And that's saying something because the pizzas are always dope.
Thank you.
It's so good.
Enjoy.
I will.
While you watch the Olympics, Ms. Roper.
Yay!
Let's get a quick look at that cute little outfit. Whoa. Yeah. Work it, girl.
Thank you.
The slippers really make it.
I know, right?
This is what I eat.
Yes! This is what I'm eating tomorrow. Ah!
Oh,
that looks so good
in the toaster, but I just whipped these up. Ooh. I didn't let them age overnight.
Beautiful.
So I don't know if they're going to be as good.
They look pretty darn good.
Okay, that's good.
And they're not as brown as the other ones were.
No, these are like very light too, Phil.
Oh, I love that. It's a little bit squishy.
Yeah.
I can't wait for that.
Make sure you toast it like Granny always insists on. I don't know why my mother insists on toasting bagels.
No, it's not just that. She gets like upset if you don't.
Why wouldn't you do that?
No.
What's wrong with you?
But we're having donuts, and we have a tutorial video for these on our channel if you guys are interested.
We have a tutorial for these. We have a tutorial for these. We have a tutorial for the baba ganoush.
I mean, pretty much whatever you saw in this video today, you can find.
Yeah, we pretty much have a tutorial for it, or a recipe video. So I hope you guys enjoyed seeing what we ate today. I'm gonna crack open another LA Croix X.
Yeah.
Why not, right?
LA Cricks.
It's so hipster.
Alright, well, why don't you say goodnight?
Thanks for watching, guys. Thumbs up if you like this type of video. Subscribe for more. And until next time, much love.